So in this video, I'll show you how to make the template shell. In order to understand how I made the whole Facebook design system, you'll find more videos on the channel. So we're going to be designing this template shell. This template shell basically acts like a giant slot where we just input the design that we want, the marketplace design, the settings design, any page, the friends page, the home page, the feed, anything gets added up in here, and it just automatically switches with anything that we want. And the top navigation is what is fixed, so it will usually be here when you're making the designs. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to go get the design annotations. We're going to get the template, and we're going to go to our section like so. This is going to be templates slash underscore shell or template shell. This is our underscore template shell, and this is our description. The template shell is the master structural container that enforces global layouts constraints and houses persistent navigation elements across the application. It functions as the viewport controller, managing the responsive grid, safe areas, and fixed regions, such as the top nav and the bottom nav bar, and ensure seamless transition between distinct views. Let's go ahead and get our top nav, top navigation, like this. Let's get the bottom nav as well. And let's get the underscore slots. Like so. Let's make them all into an auto layout. I want the dimension to be 375. I want them all to be filled containers. So we're going to press on the whole frame and press enter to make sure they're all filled, which they are. Let's make this taller. And let's make the gap between them an 8. Let's make the fill into BG, or the background of the whole application. And we are done. The height is 723, which is fine. We're going to replace this. So now let's add the instant swap property. Let's make this into a component. And this is going to be our underscore template shell. Let's add some properties. We're going to add the instant swap for the top nav. So this is going to be the top nav. Let's say the top slot. And here we're going to make an instant swap for the bottom slot. We can also make it appear and disappear if we want. Bottom slot appear. And the top nav as well, we can make it top nav appear. And here as well, we're going to make this instant swap. This is going to be the middle slot. And we don't need to make it appear or disappear. It's usually going to be here. And also let's make a home bar at the bottom. So we're going to go to our design annotations, or the device annotations this time, or device mockups. And we want this device bar, the home bar. Let's go copy it. And let's put it back. We're going to add it inside of the bottom nav, like so. And we're going to make these two into an auto layout by themselves so that we don't have the gap here. And we're going to make the gap a 0. We can also make this appear and disappear if you want. The home bar. And click on that. Now let's make an instance and see if everything works. We can replace this. We can replace the bottom nav. And of course, the slot, we can replace it, for example, with announcements, and everything works just fine. Let's put it here. And that is the template shell. Now, for more videos about the Facebook design system, you will find more free videos in the channel. Or if you would like to take the Facebook design system course, you will find the link in the description.